Hey guys, I wanted to make a really quick video and show you this tweet that Call of Duty just posted. It is a GIF of a teaser for Black Ops 4. Oh, it's really hard to see. It's really distorted and it's really short. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. Now, there are some things that can be identified in it. And someone had made a really good comment, and I'll scroll down here. I think they have a pretty good idea of what is going on in this image. And they said, let me find it here. Pimpin said, if you can see it closely, it looks like a revolver being reloaded. At the first scene, the cylindrical thing revolving and floating in the air looks like a revolver bullet. Not sure if it's a 44. The next scene looks like the bullet going inside something. Maybe it's a revolver. So now I'm going to go over to my video editing software, and I've actually turned the video 90 degrees and I'm showing it backwards. I think it's a little bit more easy to view. So just going to start clicking through here, and almost immediately you start to see what looks like some type of chamber for bullets on some type of weapon, possibly a revolver, and it starts to form right about here. This is where you start to see it really well. This is where the bullets would go in, I guess, to be loaded, and then here's like part of the weapon right here. And if you slowly click through, you can start to see it form a little bit better. And then it's kind of distorting a little bit there. Much better shot of it here. You can see the individual chambers for the bullets. Now we'll click through a little bit further. Then it's a pretty good shot of it right here. You can see some of the definition and detail. And it's still just kind of distorted. Now this is a much better shot of it right here. These almost look not so rounded, but kind of, you know, squared off a bit. So yeah, that's a really good shot of it there. You're looking at the end of it, and this is a really nice shot. You can see the indentions. I'm recording this live, so I may just totally, you know, screw this all up. So you can see the indentions here, and then right here is where the bullets would go in, and it's a round type chamber there. And right here you can see a bullet casing, I think, being ejected. I don't know what this thing is up here. I don't know if that's like a cover or something, or a sight. It's hard to tell. But right here you can see that the bullet casing is being ejected, and you can still see the casing right there. And if you, yeah, there you go, keep clicking through, you can see the end of it. And then this shot right here is really good. And it definitely does look like the casing because, you know, you don't see the actual tip of the bullet. And then right here, it just kind of starts to not look so great. It's kind of hard to tell what's going on after that. There is a bit of light that looks like, I don't know, fire or spark or something. You can see it there. That first part definitely is some type of, you know, we're looking at some type of weapon, obviously. And if we can identify it, you know, maybe some of the people out there are really good with identifying weapons and maybe even trying to understand the time frame or era that this gun could exist in. We might get a good idea. But yeah, just right about here you can see it really good. I'll go back again. The bullet is inside the chamber, and then right there the casing is being, in my opinion, ejected out right there. And then you can see it kind of falling and dropping off and out of the weapon. But I just wanted to show you guys that, and, you know, hopefully get some ideas from you guys of, you know, what do you think this weapon could possibly be? And there's a really good shot of it right there. You can see like the barrel and then the bullet chambers. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys next video.